Be sure to turn the power off before performing any maintenance. Before performing this service, it is necessary to shut off the water. Find the saddle valve, turn it clockwise until it stops. These components are common to most AprilAire humidifiers. The parts in your model may look slightly different, but the assembly procedure is similar. The plastic components should be washed using mild soap and water prior to replacing the water panel, which must be replaced annually. On the back of the box, you'll find clearly printed instructions for all the models. You'll notice one edge of the water panel has a spray paint mark. That indicates the top. Let's slide this together. Now, this particular scale control insert has notches cut into it. Those notches line up with the tabs on the distribution tray. The assembly is now complete. This is the other style scale control insert. It's a complete square. And a distribution tray that matches it. It snaps in similar to the other one. Now this assembly is complete. There's a little loop here. That part goes towards the inside of the humidifier, and this side goes towards the furnace. I'm your host, Jay. Thank you for watching. For additional help or questions, please feel free to contact us.